Okay, I'm just going to test the NOx sensors before I put them back on that engine, make sure they're okay. And what the NOx sensors do is they create a little bit of voltage. They're piezoelectric. And so what happens is when there's a knock, it generates a small voltage that goes back to the ECU, the engine control unit, the computer, and it alters either the ignition timing or the fuel-air mixture, or it will limit the amount of revs that the engine can do to help prevent damage to the engine. These are used ones that came off that engine, and I wanted to make sure that they were good before I put them back in under the intake manifold, because it's quite hard to get to afterwards. And they're quite expensive to buy. You know, I didn't want to just put new ones in if these ones are okay. What you need is just a multimeter. I've got an auto ranging digital multimeter. This is cheap. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put it on the voltage setting. I'm going to select so it just goes to volts. That should come down to 0. Okay, that's sitting at 0. I've just got a set of double-ended wires here with little alligator clips on them. I've heard some people call these crocodile clips. Same thing. So in this wiring harness, there's 2 different leads. So you can look up in here and see where the pins come up. So there's 2 pins for that wire and 2 pins for that wire. So I'm just going to put these on, test one wire at a time. So there's one there and another one there. So that's going to test this particular NOx sensor. All right. So then what we do is we're going to take the other end of our leads and hook them to our test leads like that. All right. Now we'll let that stabilize. If we can see the voltage is stabilized at 0. So I'm going to tap on this and just simulate a knock in the engine happening and see if this was working. You can see the voltage is increasing when there's a tap happening. I can try it here maybe on the vise. It might give it a little bit better signal. There it is. And then when we stop banging it, it comes back to 0. So we know that that one's working. All right, and I'm just going to test the other one. I'm just going to move these alligator clips over to the other set of pins. One there, and that'll do this one here. I think we already saw it starting to move. Let's see if it comes down to 0. Let it stabilize. There it is at 0. Okay, now we'll tap it on the vise. And we see that is increasing in voltage. As we bang it on there, it's increasing in voltage, so we know that that one's working as well. All right, so that's a good set of NOx sensors. So we can put those back on the engine knowing that they're working. You never really get to know if they're working 100% because when an engine knocks, it knocks quite severely, and it sends a more steady voltage back to the computer, probably higher, like maybe you're closer to 5 volts. But this is a pretty good indicator that they're working. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that.